Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Dogecoin from Revolut to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between platforms, whether for trading, staking, or just better management. This step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Bitmart. You'll need Dogecoin in your Revolut wallet and a verified Bitmart account to receive it. Always double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled. It's 2025, after all, and crypto security is non-negotiable. Step 1. Log into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to your crypto section and select Dogecoin. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's address, so don't close that yet. Step 2. Head over to Bitmart. Log in and go to your wallet dashboard. Find the Dogecoin deposit section. It might be under Deposit or Wallets. Copy the Dogecoin deposit address provided by Bitmart. Pro tip: double check that it's the correct network, like Dogecoin's native chain, to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Revolut might charge a small fee, so keep that in mind for your calculations. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks right before proceeding. Once sent, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, check your Bitmart wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Give it time and review your transaction history on both platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Dogecoin. Remember, always handle crypto with care to protect your investments. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.